$42,171 and $42,185. Ann Arbor Road East. Check out this vending machine. Smart Trip guy, I know you'll love this. Look at the way they have the cans in there. That's cool. And it's mixed in with the snacks too. And if you want to buy something, let's say we want to buy a Mountain Dew, my favorite soda, you type in the code 405, and then it shows you the price, $1.10. But we are not going to purchase anything. In this video, we're just showing this off. This is a pretty cool vending machine. You insert your bills there and your coin, and then you tap your payment there. So if you have a card with RFID, you just tap it there. They don't have the actual card swiper. So this is pretty cool. And then when you want to get your snack, look at that. You just push that down, which opens that up. Look at that. And that would be right there. That's actually really cool. Let's see if there's any coins in there. No coins. All right. That'll be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vending machine. Very cool.